Did you know that one simple kitchen ingredient may help support healthier, stronger plants? Many gardeners already have it at home, but never think to use it in the garden. Today I'll show you how to make an easy homemade oat fertilizer that can be used for tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, onions, garlic, leafy vegetables, flowering plants, especially indoor plants, fruit trees, herbs, and many other garden plants. Start with 1 tablespoon of plain oatmeal and grind it into a fine powder. Grinding the oats helps them mix with water more easily and allows their natural nutrients to become available faster. Next, add the oat powder to 500 milliliters of warm water. Stir well until everything is evenly mixed, then let it rest for 2 to 3 hours. During this time, some of the natural compounds from the oats will move into the water. After resting, strain the mixture into 1.5 liters of clean water. You now have 2 liters of a gentle homemade plant tonic that is suitable for many types of plants. Before applying, make sure the soil is already slightly moist. Pour the solution slowly around the base of each plant, avoiding direct contact with the leaves. Use this oat fertilizer once every 3 to 4 weeks during the growing season as part of your regular plant care routine. Remember, this homemade tonic works best alongside good watering, healthy soil, and proper sunlight.